Hey there everyone, welcome to Powell's Polytunnel. It's been a while actually since I've done any videos, so there's all sorts to look at really. I'll show you a few things. So I've got my little hanging baskets here. These are kind of triangular, you can see the shape. They've been giving me some strawberries, they were quite early, some nice ones. There we go. And I've been growing some strawberries here. These are all the little runners from last year. So look, I mean, there's some really big guys to come. So I'll just move them into the middle there, out the way. They're going to go shortly, they'll come out. I've got some saddle leaf growing in a hanging basket. Tatsoi at the back. Now these are quite amazing actually. Let's come out here, hold on. I'm going to try and navigate my strawberries. Let's go into the middle here. Whoa, a bit slippy. So these Tatsoi, look how incredible that leaf is. So what I've been doing is I've grown it straight into these Greek yogurt pots. So I've put normal compost sort of up to here, and then fine seed compost, and then the seeds straight in. So I've grown those in that way. You've also got, look, this Mizuna, and it's so clean because I've kept it on the shelf. They do need a little tray and then a lot of water in, more leaf, but it's been really successful. The sort of the yogurt pot idea just gives all your salad crop just that little bit more extra kind of compost. I've got some basil, so these have just been planted out from something I bought from the supermarket. Peppers from last year, these have yet to really grow. This one, we'll see. Cucumbers, they're doing quite nicely. Some tomatoes, these got bought from the shop, so we've strung them up. My tomatoes didn't do well. I've got some fans going. It's actually moving, that is the camera, so very, very fast. So the idea is the door or window opens. This one's open, you can see. So that's on one of these wax expanding liquid things. So that goes right out, but the idea is these fans just keep a bit of air moving about, and there's a little solar panel here that powers them all, so it's perfect. What else? I've got some coriander, so that's my second sowing of coriander. First one, again, yogurt pot's coming to an end, but it's all looking pretty good, so I'm pretty pleased overall with the poly. More peppers, that's another one from last year down there. So yeah, so that's Polytunnel updates. Roma tomatoes, these are my own seed, they were really slow, so not a good year for tomatoes so far, but we're going to see. So there you go, that's the Polytunnel update.